Welcome to Blue Compass RV, where your dream of adventurous road trips comes to life. We know that your RV journey is about more than just the destination. It's about the experiences had and memories made. You deserve peace of mind on the road to ensure you have nothing more to do than take each of those experiences and memories in. That's why we're excited to introduce you to RV Complete, an all-encompassing program designed to offer you real peace of mind, unbeatable value, and a truly complete ownership experience out on the road. RV Complete provides you with real protection against unexpected surprises on your travels. The purchase of your RV comes with a complimentary full year of our 24/7 VIP technical and roadside assistance. Included are premium benefits like all-inclusive coverage that extends to your spouse and dependent children ages 24 and under, and includes you, your RV, plus all other personal vehicles owned, rented, borrowed, or leased. RV Technical Assistance Hotline. RVTI certified technicians available 24/7 who understand the intricacies of your RV and are ready to help guide you through troubleshooting common operational issues you might experience while camping. Unlimited towing, no mileage or dollar amount limits. Plus, we tow to the nearest qualified repair facility, ensuring you get the repairs you need. Travel Assistance Services, providing you with access to 24/7 air medical transport and more if you are hospitalized more than 150 miles away from home and reside in the United States or Canada. Plus, paintless dent repair, windshield repair, and key remote replacement, and so much more. Over 100,000 RVers have already benefited from using VIP technical and roadside assistance. But don't take our word for it. Here's what customers just like you are saying.
I was a brand new customer, and at the time of my service events, I was traveling cross-country alone. I had a flat tire, ran out of gas, and had a blowout all within 2 weeks of each other. The blowout was the most stressful. I was sitting on a very busy interstate on the day before Thanksgiving. Cars were flying by, but you helped keep me calm. Based on my experience, I recently renewed my policy. You really can't put a price on the empathy and genuine concern that was shown during this time. I'll be recommending your services to everyone I know.
At Blue Compass RV, we deliver a true value to our customers. With RV Complete, you'll have access to our innovative mobile app, which comes with amazing benefits like a complimentary year of an RV Life Pro membership. This includes the RV Life GPS app, Trip Wizard, RV Life Campgrounds, and the RV Life Maintenance Tracker. Access to request maintenance with fast lane services offered exclusively at Blue Compass RV locations, so you won't have to wait weeks to get your RV serviced. A complimentary 1-year camping pass at 1,000 Trails, a 30-day trial of Harvest Hosts, Camper's Card, and Camp Scanner. Plus, should you find yourself needing help on the road, the RV Complete app allows you to request roadside assistance with the touch of a button, as well as view your existing coverage options, find a local campground, and so much more. It's everything you need for your next adventure in one convenient location. We work hard to ensure your journey is truly complete by offering essential products that elevate your RVing experience to new heights with these coverage options. Extended service contract, VIP technical and roadside assistance, complete appearance protection, tire and wheel coverage, and gap protection. Experience the convenience and security of having everything you need for your next adventure in one comprehensive package. At Blue Compass RV, we are committed to providing you with the best RV experience imaginable. So don't wait. Embrace the freedom and peace of mind on the open road with RV Complete. Real value complete.